In this lesson, you're going to learn how to emphasize your backbeat with something I like to call the setup and the echo, where the setup is the eighth note snare hit before your backbeat, and the echo is the eighth note snare hit after your backbeat. Then from there, you'll move on to your lesson challenge, where you'll learn how to take these new ideas to a deeper level using two-measure phrasing. My name's Chad Peters, and welcome to the Xgroove. Looking at our bass drum beat at the bottom of the screen, we have our backbeats on 2 and 4. Now, for this first exercise, we're going to echo the backbeat by adding another snare hit to the and of 2 as well as the and of 4. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how the echo gave a forward momentum to the feel of the groove. Now let's see what the setup feels like. Looking at our bass drum beat again, in this exercise we're going to set up the backbeat by adding another snare hit to the and of 1 as well as the and of 3. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you notice the difference in the feel of the setup? It held the beat back just a little bit. Now, let's see what we could do with these ideas. A quick tip for you. When you're working on new ideas on the drums and you feel yourself getting frustrated or just burned out, take a step away from the material and play your drums sporadically and creatively. Let yourself go on the instrument and just play whatever you want. Here's a little groove I came up with while recording this video because I needed a break too. Check it out. Before we move on to your lesson challenge, if you're enjoying this video and you want to continue to learn the drums in a structured way, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new lesson video. And if you want to take the ideas in this lesson or any other lesson on the Xgroove channel to another level, make sure to check out the Xgroove.com for one-on-one online lessons. And new students get a free 30-minute trial lesson. Just use coupon code Xgroove30 when scheduling your lesson. Now, let's get to our lesson challenge. Here we go with your lesson challenge. I've got two grooves for you, both in two-measure phrasing. And to top it off, we're going to use two drum fills from my Drum Fills for Beginners lesson video. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. All right, I hope you enjoyed your drum lesson today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure to keep practicing your newly found drum skills, and I will see you next time.